So today we will learn about writers' information of British literature. So Jonathan Swift, this is the very familiar name. His time period 1667 to 1745. Anglo-Irish writers born in Dublin. Swift was a prominent satirist, essayist, and author. Notable works include You Know That, Gulliver's Travels, 1726, A Modest Proposal, and A Tale of Tube, and a long list of works of Jonathan Swift that you have to read. And your question is that you must comment me the how many parts of Gulliver's Travels and the Annals. Then Samuel Johnson, 1709 to 1784, British author, best known for his compilation of the English dictionary. Samuel Johnson जो कि इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी लिखे हैं. Although not the first attempt at the dictionary, it was widely considered to be the most comprehensive, setting the standard for later dictionaries. Then Jonathan Wolfgang von Goethe, 1749-1832, German poet, playwright, and author. Notable works of Goethe include Faust, Wilhelm Meister, Apprenticeship, and Elective Affinities. Then Jane Austen, 1775-1817, English author who wrote romantic fiction combined with social realism. Her novels include Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, Emma. All मीन्स जैन ऑस्टिन का जो वर्क्स है उसका क्रोनोलॉजी बहुत पूछे जाते हैं, उसको आपको प्रिपेयर करके जाना है. एनी हाउ बहुत बार पूछ चुके हैं यूजीसी नेट में. देन नॉर्मन बाल्जैक, 1799 1850. सो 1850 जो ईयर था बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसको आपको रिलेट करना है. 1850 में क्या हुआ था? विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ का डेथ हुआ था. So Balzac, French novelist and short story writer. Balzac was an influential realist writer who created characters of moral ambiguity, often based on his own real-life examples. His great work was the collection of short story La Médium. Then your Alexander Dumas, 1800 to 1870. French author of historical dramas including The Count of Monte Cristo, 1844, and The Three Musketeers, 1844. ये पूछा जा चुका है, मतलब कॉलम मैच में पूछा गया है. Also prolific author of magazine articles, pamphlets, and travel books. These writers are very important for your UGC NET examination. The next one is your Victor Hugo, 1802 to 1855, French author and poet. Hugo's novels include Les Miserables, 1862, Notre Dame de Paris, 1831. चार्ल्स डिकेंस तो मतलब यूजीसी एनटीए का फेवरेट ऑथर है. उनके बारे में बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आता है. उनका क्रोनोलॉजी आता है, उनका जो सेटिंग, नोवेल का जो सेटिंग होता है वो भी आता है, कॉलम मैच भी आता है. सो 1812 to 1870, इंग्लिश राइटर एंड सोशल क्रिटिक. His best known works includes novels such as Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, and Christmas Carol, and the list is long. Then Charlotte Bronte, 1860-1855, English novel. Jane Eyre is very important works, उसके बारे में भी बहुत पूछा जाता है. 1847. Then Henry David Thoreau, 1870-1855, American poet, writer, leading member of Transcendentalist movement. Thoreau's Walden is very famous. 1854 was a unique account of living close to nature. Then Emily Bronte, 1818-1848, English novelist. Bronte is best known for her work Wuthering Heights 1847, जो कि Wuthering Heights जो आपका गोथिक नॉवेल. And Leo Tolstoy 1828-1910, Russian novelist and moral philosopher. Famous works includes the epic novels War and Peace 1869, Anna Karenina 1870. Tolstoy also became an influential philosopher with his brand of Christian pacifism.